Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an advanced watermark for your videos using InShot. It's simple, but the results will look professional. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your InShot and then just create a new project and then just add a green screen clips like this. This green background will help us later when we cut out the watermark. And then just add text and then just type any words or phrase that you want to use as your watermark. It could be your channel name or brands or even just a signature. It's totally up to you. I think like this. And then just adjust the font. Choose one that matches your styles. It's maybe something bold, clean, or fancy depending on your vibe. Maybe I will choose this one and then I will make it bold like this. And then I will adjust the size like this. Next, just change the color to white like this, and then just remove the border like this. And to make it pop, just add a shadow effect and then just adjust as you like. Like this. And once you're happy with how it looks, just take a screenshot of your watermark and then just tidy up the screenshot like this. Now just bring in all the clips that you want to watermark. And then just delete the screen background. And then I will adjust the ratio like this. And then just import your watermark screenshot and position it anywhere you like. Just import the watermark as a PIP or overlay. Just tap on PIP like this and then just position it anywhere you like. You can place it at the bottom right, top corner, or even across the middle if you prefer. And make sure it's not covering something important in your video. Next, just go to cut out this one and then just choose chroma key and then just point the chroma key to the green background and then adjust the intensity until the green is completely gone and leaving only your text visible like this. And then finally just go to blend this one and then choose overlay this one like this. This will help the watermark blend smoothly with your videos, that it will making it look natural and professional. And then just adjust the durations of your watermarks. And okay, let's play the video. Like this, and that's it. You now have a clean advanced watermark for your videos. It's a great way to protect your content and also add a professional touch. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.